I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your Netflix password using the Netflix mobile app. Step 1. Open the Netflix app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap your profile icon on this screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon on the next screen. A menu pops up. Step 3. Tap Account in this list of options. Step 4. Navigate to the Security section and then tap Password. A Change Password screen opens. Step 5. Enter your current Netflix password in the field at the top of this screen and then enter what you want to be your new Netflix password in the next two fields. At the time of this video, Netflix requires your password to be between 8 and 60 characters in length, contain at least one lowercase letter and one uppercase letter, and contain at least one number. Remove the checkmark from the Sign Out of All Devices field if you don't want to be logged out of Netflix and forced to sign back in on all of the devices signed into your Netflix account. Step 6. Tap Save after entering your information. You'll be bounced back out to the account screen and you'll see a note that your Netflix password has been changed. And again, if you choose to sign out of Netflix on all of the devices that were signed into your account, you'll need to sign back in on those devices. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.